For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
In the event that you are considering putting resources into a digital money, ALGORAND is perhaps of the most ideal decision you can make. In any case, holding the ALGO digital currency in high esteem isn't barely enough. The coin needs to perform up to assumptions. You need to take a gander at ALGORAND's cost forecast from 2022 to 2030, its normal least cost, and what it offers that would be useful in regards to offers. ALGORAND is an extremely predictable blockchain and, therefore alone, will develop further this year in the event that you consider it a shrewd agreement supplier as opposed to a coin. ALGORAND cost is noticed heading for a huge move as a bullish graph design has framed. What is your perspective about the chance of coming to $10 or more? The present ALGORAND cost is $0.307081 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $128,734,625. ALGORAND is down 10.55% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 31, with a live market cap of $2,116,340,813. It has a coursing supply of 6,891,804,717 ALGO coins and a maximum supply of 10 billion ALGO coins. ALGORAND cryptographic money has commonly seen a sluggish development pattern throughout the course of recent months, with the ongoing negative pattern essentially affecting it. A few ALGORAND people group members have been unhappy with the digital money's new presentation, referring to the stale development of the crypto project. Notwithstanding, crypto unpredictability is a thrilling part of the crypto market by and large, and most coins frequently change in market esteem contingent upon request. Likewise, the token has been on a disturbing lower pattern, with a dangerous negative return on investment today. Basically, this implies in the event that you put resources into the ALGORAND project during its origin and held your tokens to date, your underlying venture worth would have dropped by 74.59% starting today. The ALGO token exchanged at an unequaled low cost of $0.1024, recorded almost a long time back, on March 13, 2020. These figures were recorded after the symbolic hit its unequaled high of $3.28 on June 21, 2019, around a long time back. Notwithstanding, the token has started to get force, and there is trust that the value developments will be bullish over the course of the following couple of years. Subsequently, this video means to examine past information, utilizing specialized investigation to decide the ALGORAND cost expectations from 2022 and then some. The following are a few parts of ALGORAND that are straightforwardly connected to the cost of ALGORAND in the current crypto market. ALGORAND applications. ALGORAND is a strong decentralized blockchain stage that offers an extensive variety of purpose cases from diversion to back-end sports. Sensibly, the utilization instances of ALGORAND are interminable, as proven today by the various associations building arrangements on the ALGORAND stage. ALGORAND's cost today is without a doubt reliant upon the utilization instances of the ALGO coin, which guarantees crypto financial backers purchase ALGORAND and sell ALGORAND relying upon their ongoing requirements. To use the ALGORAND organization, you should pay exchange charges in ALGO. This has without a doubt been one reason ALGORAND's cost forecasts have been going up regardless of its past lackluster showing on the lookout. ALGORAND has laid out applications in a few fields for quicker blockchain exchanges at low expenses, contrasted with other blockchains like the Bitcoin blockchain. How has ALGORAND performed up until this point? Beside the forecasts up to this point, you can find out about this digital currency in the event that you realize its set of experiences and market feeling. CoinMarketCap has expressed that ALGORAND began with an exchanging worth of $2.89 on June 29, 2019, yet went on a descending spill, hitting $1.43 towards the finish of July. It forged ahead with this descending development, and by September, it was valued at 18 cents. The value varied, and it finished the year with 23 cents worth. In January 2021, the cost of ALGORAND was 67 cents, Yet as February attracted to it expanded to 70 cents. The cost increment force drooped to 12 cents in March because of the COVID-19 episode. All trust isn't lost, as these changes are normal in the crypto world. True to form, the cost of ALGO went up, selling for 98 cents in August. As yet fluctuating, ALGO completed the year selling at $1.62 in December 2022. ALGORAND Technical Analysis. ALGORAND fell strongly from April to mid-June and has lost 75% this year. ALGORAND has exchanged sideways for the last month, with little value energy to the potential gain. The William Gator pattern lines show that sideways patterns will go on temporarily. ALGORAND Price Prediction 2022. The ALGO coin cost expectation for 2022 is 41 cents. ALGORAND is down 75% from its initial cost in January 2022. In the most recent news, ALGORAND cooperated with Boston University to help African ranchers. The cost will go from 41 cents to 43 cents for the year. ALGORAND ALGO Price Prediction 2023. The ALGO cost expectation for 2023 is 61 cents. FIFA's association with ALGORAND is critical. ALGORAND will be FIFA's true blockchain. FIFA will hold the People's Reality Cup in 2022 and 2023, separately. The association will expand ALGORAND's openness all around the globe. ALGO will exchange somewhere in the range of 59 cents and 70 cents. ALGORAND ALGO Price Prediction 2024. The ALGO cost expectation for 2024 is 85 cents. ALGORAND is confronting fierce opposition from Cardano and Ethereum blockchains. Ethereum will change to a proof-of-stake agreement instrument and paw back its portion from ALGORAND. The opposition will increment developments across the blockchains to make an edge. ALGO exchanges will go from 82 cents to $1.01 in 2023. ALGORAND ALGO Price Prediction 2025. The ALGO cost expectation for 2025 is $1.22. The ALGORAND blockchain is engineer agreeable. The stage furnishes designers with devices and direction. The move will build the count of dApps on ALGORAND, giving utility to the local area. Computerized resources will arrive at an exorbitant cost of $1.18 and a low cost of $1.39. ALGORAND Price Prediction 2026. The ALGO cost expectation for 2026 is $1.76. We expect to expand ALGORAND applications in non-fungible tokens, NFTs, metaverse, DeFi, and blockchain gaming through awards and different projects. These new elements will help ALGO computerized resources arrive at an excessive cost.